Yeah, we have seen Melissa really batter through portions of the Caribbean. And unfortunately, many are waking up without power this morning in Jamaica, but it is pulling away from that area. So that is good news, but of course, still dealing with that aftermath, and it's going to take a lot of time to clean up. Now we are watching Hurricane Melissa as it pushes through Cuba. It did make that second landfall this morning, right around 3:10 in the morning, as a Cat 3 hurricane, and it is still a Cat 3 at this time. So you can see it's still affecting eastern Cuba here. It did move through the province of Santiago earlier this morning. So we are going to continue to see it move northeast at 12 miles per hour, producing dangerous storm surge, life-threatening conditions here when you factor in that other flooding too from the rainfall predicted. Eventually, it is going to push off towards the northeast and towards the Bahamas within the next day or so as a Cat 2 hurricane before eventually weakening further here as it could push towards Bermuda within the upcoming days ahead. And eventually, it's going to pick up additional speed here. So it already has up to about 12 miles per hour as it will continue to head towards the northeast and not affect the U.S. at this time. So that's great news as we are going to be seeing a front pass through the area, so that kind of steers it away from the U.S. for us here locally. But yeah, dealing with the aftermath in Jamaica this morning, as well as feeling the effects in Cuba here, praying for them there.